back to my channel. So this is a 4-week update since my installation. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, so this video is not going to be a long one. Well, I'm going to work towards keeping this as short as possible while giving you quality information on my experience so far. Now that it's been 4 weeks since I installed my hair. All right, so let's get into the first question. Okay, so have I had any feelings of regret since installing my locks? Well, to answer that question, absolutely not. No, I have not had any feelings of regret since installing my locks. I've been loving having not to do anything to my hair since locking it. So no, I have not had any feelings of regret. Not yet anyways. I don't think I will. Well, let me not be too quick to jump the gun on that. But no, I don't have any feelings of regrets. It's been 4 weeks, so maybe it's too early to be answering that question. But no, I have not. Since I installed it, I have not had any feelings of regret. And I'm more so looking forward to when I can actually start experimenting with different hairstyles on my hair. Now, for now, I can't really do much with it, but I'm looking forward to being able to braid my hair using extensions, because my loctician told me I could do that, but I just had to wait until my hair is locked. Once it's locked, I can do whatever I wanted with my hair. And trust me, I'm looking forward to the different hairstyles that I'm going to rock with this hair. All right, so well, to answer that question, no, I don't have any feeling of regret, nor have I had any feeling of regret. Second question, if you remember my last video, I had mentioned that I would be cleaning my hair or attempting to clean my hair with rubbing alcohol. How is that experience? Well, I just used the rubbing alcohol on its own using some wipes. Now I had to use the right wipes, the wipes that wouldn't leave white residue on your hair, because you gotta be careful with lint getting caught in your locks, because it is hard. It's more hard to remove lint from your hair when your hair is locked. So you have to find the right wipes that wouldn't fall apart while you are cleaning it. So I had this body wipes that I had gotten a while back, and they're pretty strong and stretchy. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can get those body wipes. I got them from Amazon, so I'm gonna put a link down below in the description box. All right, so I had to make sure that the wipes that I had didn't leave behind any kind of lint while cleaning my scalp, because it would have been a chore trying to get it out from my hair. Well, I don't have a lot of part of my hair that's locked, so it would have probably been easier at this stage, but you have to be careful with lint in your hair when your hair is locked, because it could be a chore to remove it. Anyways, so I got the wipes and I checked the wipes. The wipes were a-okay to use them to clean my lock without it leaving any kind of lint on my hair. So they were good to go. So I got the rubbing alcohol and I applied the rubbing alcohol on my scalp. And what I noticed after that was that my scalp got so dry after cleaning it. So it got drier after cleaning it. So I thought maybe, okay, I'm using too much. It had a high concentration of alcohol. So I decided to look into how I could dilute the solution and maybe that would fix it, right? So I found online I could do 2 parts the rubbing alcohol, 1 part water. So I did that and I cleaned my scalp again, and I still found that it was dry after doing that, even though I had diluted the solution. And what I found out when I researched it is that rubbing alcohol strips your cuticle of a certain protein that then leaves your scalp dry and brittle. So that is why my hair was dry after I had cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. So I found that out after I had actually done that. So guys, note to self, do your research before you actually use a product. Now, everyone could respond differently. My scalp did this. The online research said that it would do that. You could find yourself in that situation. So I don't know if it could be different in a different person's case. It could be, you never know, right? Someone else could use rubbing alcohol and they were a-okay. They didn't have any dryness, right? But yeah, this was my own experience with it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to look into other forms of cleaning my scalp. What else I could use to clean my scalp. I know my loctician had mentioned another option of using apple cider vinegar to clean your hair. I know it's a solution or a mixture, so I'm gonna look into that. But also there is the option of using dry shampoo. I know they had recommended Cantu dry shampoo. So I'm gonna look into that and see which would work for me. All right, I could do a video on that. But yeah, so that was my experience with the rubbing alcohol. It's a no-no for me. It's a no-no for me. Next question. What have I noticed about my hair in this period where I've done little with it and used little to no product on it? So what I have observed and the conclusion that I've come to is that my hair can thrive without any product. It shouldn't be an epiphany, or it shouldn't be a new discovery, because if you think about it, our ancestors, or my ancestors, because I'm the one saying this, right? So my ancestors, they probably didn't have all these shampoos, conditioner, treatments, you know, they didn't have that. So how is their hair growing? And back then, I've seen pictures where of African people with long hair, long, full, healthy hair. They did less with their hair and their hair thrived. Now, I'm not saying that science hasn't come along with, you know, as industrialization happens, as we get all these advanced technologies, we don't know how exposing ourselves to them is impacting our health, and in turn slowing down some things that would happen faster if we were in an environment that was more organic. Like our hair, we don't know how our environment, our evolving environment, is impacting the hair. I don't think there's science, a lot of science invested in that. So I know that there's certain hair challenges like alopecia that people go through, whereby some companies have come up with remedies for them, right? I'm appreciative of those, right? So as the society is evolving, yes, we may have to look at the remedies that some of these hair companies have come up with to address those hair challenges. So I'm acknowledging that. But what I am also bringing forward is that the healthiness of your hair is really more so determined by the nutrition that you take in, what you eat. What is it made up of? What's the nutrition like? Because I've noticed that without any hair product, my hair is still able to grow in length, thrive. So the only thing I'm doing right now that could be beneficial or impacting my hair is the nutrition I take in through the foods I eat, whatever supplements I'm taking, and I am observing my hair is still growing. There's still new growth and it's still looking good. So my thing is, it should be more emphasis on kind of food you're eating, ensuring that you're getting the right nutrients into your body to foster growth all around, growth that would show in your hair and how healthy your hair looks. So that is the perspective I'm now going with when it comes to the growth and health of my hair. So I wanted to also mention that the itchiness that I had mentioned in my previous video, yeah, that has remarkably reduced. Now I don't know if it's because I have new growth now, so the lock is no longer at my base. So that could be, I don't know if that's a factor. That's why it's not as itchy as it was before. But hey, let's see. I'm gonna go for my retightening soon. So I will also observe that, watch out and see how my scalp responds or how my scalp feels after the retightening. Speaking of retightening, I am looking forward to my retightening appointment, which is happening very soon in a matter of days. All right, so I'm going to try to see if I can do a video on that day of my retightening and the retightening process. I'm not sure I would be able to, so I'm not gonna promise that, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try at least to show you guys the before and the after on the retightening day. All right, so now I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at the current state of my hair, of my mane. I'm going to show the new growth. So it's 4 weeks since I first installed it. So I'm just going to show you guys my new growth. All right, so let's do it. video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share if you found this video helpful. And I will be putting links down below for my video, the picture story of the installation, and also my 2-week update if you haven't watched it. I did mention some good information there. Just look at the description box and you would find the links there. Thank you guys once again for watching, and please share, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.